Hello, welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. My name is Jennifer Woolsey, and I am a top leader with AVON. And we are on day 6 of social distancing in our home. Oh, it's been a trip for sure. I get to get out today though. I get to go to the pharmacy drive-thru and pick up a prescription. Yay! Never thought that would be the highlight of my day. So I thought I need to put some makeup on to be able to go do that. So I'm choosing joy, right? Looking for whatever reason we can to celebrate. So that is going to be our thing today. We are going to celebrate because I get to go to the drive-thru pharmacy. I hope that you all are choosing joy during this difficult time. My thoughts and prayers are with you all, especially for our healthcare workers that are out there just trying to control the chaos and keep things going. And let's get to it. Let's do some makeup. So we launched some new products this week. I know very few people are at home probably worried about makeup, but putting makeup on makes me feel better and it helps me get up and do more. And so we're going to do makeup today. It's just a way I choose joy. So we are going to use the VDL, the new Lumalayer Primer, which is going to give us a little bit of a glow for our trip to the pharmacy. Because in 6 days, I think I've been to the pharmacy once, and we did go to McDonald's one day and get a milkshake. So, my interaction with the outside has been limited, very limited. We are blessed. We have a respite caregiver and a nurse that helps with the boys, and they have chosen to go on isolation so they can continue to be here for the boys through this. So I do have some adult interaction during the day, which is good to have that conversation with an adult. It's nice. So you can see when I put that VDL on, it gives your face just a little bit of illumination, a little bit of extra radiance, just that touch that you may need. And then we are going to go in with the Balm Diggity, which is backwards, Cashmere Complexion. This stuff, you guys, I can't get over. It's long wearing, up to 24-hour wear. The coverage is full coverage. I'm putting it on my hand. Number one, because I don't want to put the germs back in my bottle from my face. And we have a special guest. Come here, special guest. Okay. Come here. You got to come say hi. Say hi. Say, we are going to learn to homeschool. Can you say hi to the people? He wants a milkshake. That is the story of your life, child. Okay, we'll talk about it later. I love you. Okay. Later. Oh, I'm putting my makeup on. Does that mean I'm going to go get you a milkshake? Is that what you think? Yes, baby. I'm going to put my makeup on. We'll talk about it in a minute. Aunt Crystal said I thought she ordered him a milkshake. She ordered some makeup yesterday. Oh, good. See, somebody else is going to wear some makeup. It's day 6 for us. And I get to go to the pharmacy today. Woohoo! And Crystal says, hi, Kaden. Okay. So we got our beauty blender, and we are going to pick that up and going to disperse it. So it's also got it's made with mostly natural components. I don't have the list of what's all in it, but I know there's a lot of good stuff for your skin in it. And I was reading on that last night. I should have brought it in here. I will get that for you guys and post that so that you can see the ingredients are good for your skin. It's actually got a little bit of anti-aging formularies in it, which is going to be good for like firming your skin. So what are you doing with your family to choose joy in this scary time? I know my family, we have a group text where we are keeping each other up to date, maybe scaring the crap out of each other, but keeping each other up to date with everything going on and just trying to be a source of support for one another. And that's been really nice to be able to have that connection. We also had an interesting night here in North Texas last night in our choosing joy. I don't want to ruin the mood here, but we had tornadoes and thunderstorms sweep through our area, knocked all of our internet towers down. Thank God for cell phone internet, which is what I'm joining you from today. I don't know why that did that. And so I'm sure there was quite a bit of damage. I don't know where the damage was done. So pray for those that were affected by the tornadoes in North Texas. Definitely for their safety and for their protection. We're going to use Cashmere Complexion in the shade Tarte. I'm so excited. Crystal, I'm excited to see your before and afters. You're going to have to share them with us. ... I know that, some people are still having to get up and go to work in the midst of all this. And I know that probably even brings more anxiety for you about getting out and going if you're dealing with the public or with big groups of other people. And so I'm praying for you guys. I'm praying for us all and for our world that this passes and we come out of it stronger and better than ever. I mean, the good thing is at least we're learning new protocols that need to be put in place for our country. I mean, should this ever happen again, which I hope it doesn't, ever. And, we've got parents that are trying to figure out how they're going to homeschool their kids and work still. I mean, there's all kinds of just chaos in the world. Transforming contour stick. We're going to contour this morning. I'm kind of enjoying this. Are y'all ready? I went curved on this one, not on that one. That's okay. I'm going to do a little heart shape up here. We'll do... So in choosing joy, we have looked for things that make us happy around our home. So, of course, the boys love being outside. That's a huge thing for our family. So we've tried to take some nature walks. And we're blessed. I was thinking yesterday as we were outside walking about those families like in New York City that live in apartments and tight living quarters and don't really have the accessibility to be able to go out and walk. And it just, I'm thinking about those people and praying for those people. I know our friends in Italy that we've talked to, they live, in apartment buildings just on top of each other in very tight areas. So I can't imagine for those people how this is. I know I have a few friends that watch me that are from New York. And so our thoughts and prayers are with you guys that are in those tight areas. But if you are I'm using the dark brown Glimmer stick eye pencil here, you guys. But if you are in an area where you can get out and take a nature walk or, walk around your house, anything, do it. Because being outside just brings joy to your heart, right? It just brings joy to your heart that you can get outside and see something different than a TV. Okay, we're going to blend this contour. I guess I could go to the pharmacy drive-thru like this. They would never know. They'd be like, that girl is weird. What do you think? Could I wear this to the pharmacy drive-thru? I don't think so. Okay, we're going to take the end of our beauty blender and we're just going to blend because I need those people at the drive-thru to think I'm slimmer than I really am. I did find one issue with this 6 days of quarantine or isolation or social distancing or whatever you want to call it. I think you may be in trouble when your leggings are getting tight. So I'm going to have to start really putting my tennis shoes on and doing a little bit of extra walking, maybe. A little bit of extra walking or some setups or maybe just cut out some of that snacking that I've been doing. Just because we're home doesn't mean that we get to eat everything in the house, right? Because there's no more at the grocery store. But we're going to choose joy. Okay, that contour on my nose didn't really go as I planned. Instead of making it slimmer, it's probably going to make it crooked. That's okay. That's okay, because we're just having fun. We're choosing joy. So share again in the comments. What are some things that you guys are doing to bring joy to your life? I did make some Rice Krispie treats last night. Bam. That's about my extent of cooking. I seen where one of my friends on social media had made this beautiful chocolate cake, and I was like, I can bake. I made Rice Krispie treats. So I can do makeup all day long. I am not a cook. Thank God my husband is a cook because we would probably starve. I'm going to go in now with some translucent loose powder. In our family, I believe that God gave my oldest sister the skill to cook. And she is an amazing cook. When we get together at holidays, she learned all of my mama's recipes and she cooks for us. And Chad brings things. And I show up because that is not my skill set. Not my skill set at all. But I'm thankful for people that can. But Chad's been working. Plumbers still have to work amidst this. And so he's still been working and trying to help do his job and take care of his staff, all while social distancing himself because he has a fear of bringing it home to the boys. So he's had to be extremely careful at work to not come in contact with people, not touch people, and just really get his job done. We are going to use the Quad Chocolate Sensations today. This is one of my favorite quads. You can tell I've used a lot of it. We're going to go in with step 1, and we're going to cover the base of the eye. So on my Joy drive to the pharmacy, I think I don't know. I'm trying to think of something I could do for other people during this time. So if you guys can think of something that I could do for people without actually having contact with people, let me know, because I want to do something nice for someone. We're going to go into step 2. We're just going to pull it across the bottom of the eye this morning. We're not going to do a bunch of crease work because, you know, we're just going to the pharmacy. What's something nice I could do for people without actually having to come in contact with people? I know that's kind of difficult. I don't really know. I was trying to think of something I could do, maybe like pull up to a gas station and give someone $10 to put towards their gas tank, or I don't know about paying for the prescriptions in front of me. That could be dangerous at the pharmacy. It's not like at McDonald's, you know, you can pay for the person's coffee behind you or in front of you. It's a little bit different when you're at the pharmacy. Okay, so I just used 1 and 2. I think I may go in and just pull a little bit of that 3. Yeah, we'll pull a little bit up. My eyes are deep set, so sometimes I have to bring a little bit up on that arch just to kind of highlight it a little bit. I mean, we are going to the pharmacy drive-through, so why not, right? Okay. If you get a little wild on your eyeshadow, you can take your beauty blender and kind of bring it out. There we go. There we go. Okay. So there is some chocolate sensations. Of course, you guys know my favorite. You know, I'm going to blend this down just a little bit. Let's go back on 1. And I see that this is a little bit crazy. So we're just going to pat it out a little bit. Just go pat it out just a little bit. If you get a little crazy, you can just pat it out just a little bit. There we go. There we go. Going in with the Super Extend Precision Liquid Liner. And going to line these eyes. So, I don't guess anybody has ideas about sharing joy. I don't know. I'm going to have to figure something out. I do know that there's still some delivery services working. So if you're in an area where you could like order a pizza for the fire department, I know in our area they were out on calls late last night because of wrecks, because of the thunderstorms. So that would be something you could do to choose joy. There we go. I just lined half underneath because with these deep set eyes, I'm not trying to make them. I'll do one side and not the other, and I'll show you guys what it does to the difference of the eye. Can you see the difference? This one is half lined. This one is all the way lined. Kind of makes it look a little bit bigger. So let's put the mascara on and I'll let you get the full effect. We're going to curl these lashes. I mean, if the person at the pharmacy drive-thru realizes I just have half an eye lined, they're way too close. They're closer than the 6-foot rule, so. All right, we're going to use Love Mascara. And do these lashes. If you guys are used to getting like lash extensions put in and you don't feel like you can go out and do that during this time, we have an amazing lash serum that I've been using at night. The good thing is I have plenty of time at night to do my 24 steps of skincare, which you guys know I love some skincare. So I've been doing all my steps at night. This is a great time to really invest in your self-care, doing your face masks and maybe your 24 steps of skincare. I'm not really using 24, but it's pretty close. All right. So now let me let you look. Can you tell the difference in the eyes? See, this one looks bigger because it's just halfway done than this one. Let me see. This one or this side? Which one do you like? Do you like the full underline or do you like the half underline? Good morning, Michaela. I hope you're feeling better. I've been praying for you, dear. I hope you're feeling much better. Okay, for blush, we're going to go in with our Coral Cushion. It's just my favorite. I know, I should change it up, but it's my favorite. Ready? Okay. And then for lippies, let's do, because I'm wearing red today, I don't want to go too bold. I think we're going to do Ambitious, and I think I'll mix a little, oh, you know what? We are going to go bold. We're going to go bold because why not? Go bold or go home, right? Getting there. Oh, bless your heart. Well, we are praying for you that you are recovering and feeling better soon. I know that this is a crummy time to be going through something like that. Okay, so we're going to use the Ruby Glimmer Kiss. We're going to have red glimmer because why not? Ready? It just took a little bit. Oh, Lord help us. We are going to choose joy even in the tough times, right? You can use directly from the applicator if you want. You don't have to use a brush. Oh, the dogs are barking. Oh, the dogs are barking. Okay, so here is our finished look to bring you joy today. I'll put my hair down so you can actually see what it's going to look like without my hair pulled back. So I hope that you guys are finding ways in your life to choose joy, whether it be a nature walk with your family, game night, baking, doing makeup, whatever makes you happy. Just find some things that bring joy. Quit, get off of the internet, quit reading all the bad stuff because it's not good. It's not fun for you to read. So thank you for joining. If you guys want to shop from home, we have your basics. We have shower gels, we have shampoo, we have deodorants, we have soap, we have, all kinds of stuff other than just makeup. So you could shop on our website and get it delivered straight to your house. We also have protein powders. We have some other kind of vitamins that are probably good to help boost your immune system. And you still be supporting our family, which is a huge blessing. I thank you guys for doing that. You can shop my website, which is your avon.com/jwoolsey, or any Avon representative that may share this Facebook post. I have a team that will probably be sharing this. So get with the person that is your representative, shop with them, help support small businesses, and get that stuff delivered to your house so you don't have to go to the store and fight for it. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. I hope that you all find joy even in this chaos. I love you all. I'm praying for you all. Have a good day. Bye, guys.